Listen, let me tell you something. The way the financial reset is hitting us right now. Tomorrow is the 11th of November. It's a very powerful day. It's an 1111 portal, right? Which means there is mirroring something tomorrow is going to complete. And I'm seeing this image like as a collective, there is a tipping point. You know, there's a book actually called The Tipping Point for some of you who are interested. And it's almost like you've been doing so much, doing so much, doing so much, and you're not seeing the physical manifestation of what you've been building inside. I am getting there is going to be a windfall of change. We are making history. To my artists, to my healers, to my teachers, we are making history. Um, sure, this one is also quite big. Like, you don't understand, like, when you do spiritual work, you have to dig in as an alchemist. Huh? You dig in, you become that thing, then you understand why it's there. So you tap into the absence of light, you illuminate it. And then as you let it rise, there is the illuminating process, which means there's going to be a period of dimming, right? So we are in this period of dimming, but there is about to be a windfall. So I don't know why I'm getting this word like akiri, the patriarchy wanted to make money symbolize power. And those who struggled to get the money because of all these obstacles that were there to get something that was man made. The script is flipping, guys. The script has just flipped. Your kindness and your integrity, if you haven't been, because the matriarchy is standing up right now, what you have been doing in the dark, yay, for some of you, ngiyazwela, because the tipping point of you running after things because of fear and doing harm to others because of your greed. This one was greed, your lack of kindness, your lack of integrity. Ngiyani Zuela. Spiritually, I I don't know how else to say. There's nothing you can do but allow things to unfold. So, for those of you who are beginning your spiritual journey, stay integrous. Stay integrous to who you know you are. Never change just because of something that was man made and made up. Imali, money, is a representation of energy. And that energy is love and affection that you were supposed to get from your parents. But because your family also works for the government, some of you might not know this. Some of you were raised in cults, that you don't know this because you are highly gifted. But because your love and affection has been stripped away, you have now been forced to feel like you only deserve to give and you can't receive. That is tipping over. So you see the current unemployment rate. Right now, it is happening on purpose because there is a tipping point. And when that point tips and it ripple effects, I'm just seeing this image of this new earth. We're going to look at this period, like all the things in history. And if you're at this point, you are part of a huge part of history and her story. History is not going to only be the thing, it's also going to be her story. Her story is going to be written. So, my divine feminines, my wombed men, it is time for you to rise, to stand up. Your justice is not by seeking justice legally, because legally, the system doesn't support you, but you got to speak up and use your voice. That is the only justice you're going to fully receive. Use your voice. Stand up. Be loud. Be proud. But raise it. Don't ever hide your truth anymore. Don't ever hide your heart. Protect it. Set your boundaries. Because right now, I'm sure you've been hearing a lot of it. The empath season of, oh, yes, I'll take it, I'll take it, I'll take it. It's over. Hey, it is over. Guys, when I'm saying, hmm, it is over. What has been done in the dark is going to be illuminated. Some of you already know what to do. Some of you just eat your popcorn and just watch the movie that's about to play right now because, wow, stay kind, hey? Your kindness goes a long way. It might not be in that moment when you see your friends out in the grooves and you see your friends buying nice cars and all that. Hey, 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 hey. We are making her story. Her story is going to be out there for the world. Your story is going to be out there for the world to hear. Anyways, my loves, allow yourself to feel, hey? Like I said earlier, your suffering is because you're resisting the change that you already requested. I'm sending you, oh, so much love. So much love. Go into prayer, go into your fasting, eat fruits, hydrate yourself. Some of you need to stop the coloco. You know what it is. You know what it is. Your ancestors are speaking to you and are sending out clear messages. The tipping point right now. Ah, hey, don't say you didn't hear it. Don't say you didn't hear it.